Aaron live. Hello. GameStop had a sale on Pokemon and trading cards. So I figured, why not buy some? This is my first ever Pokeball. Let's open this now. You're going to hear some audio texture. There's a coin in there. I don't remember what else is in here. I think booster packs. Watch as I... Oh, okay. This little seam right here. You can see it's a cool Ultra Ball. What does it say? 3 booster packs and a coin. So here it is, this Ultra Ball. Because why not? How do we open this? Alright, we'll just pop it open. Here's our coin. It's a cute little Eevee. Our booster packs. One of each I see. We got Fusion Strike, Chilling Rain, and Evolving Skies. I am testing this, so I'm using this Droid Camera OBS. Let's open them, shall we? Because why not? You gotta see the far-fetched. Alright, here's 2, 1, 2. See if we did this right. Alright, Psychic Energy, Steenie, Dyna Treehill, Spiral Energy, Galarian Farfetch'd, Cast Form in a Rainy form, it's a little Raindrop, Larvesta, Sobble, Ladybug, Avery, and a Galarian. Wheezing! Yeah, this one was just a reversed hollow Avery, so that's okay. Next is Fusion Strike. Audio texture. Because who cares? It's Pokemon. It's part of the reason you do these. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, Fighting Energy. Fusion Strike Energy. Turtonator. Pukimuki. Okay. Geodude. Sizzlepede. Kelfkey. Pansage. Wooloo. Glycer. And a Gold Fire Energy. Woohoo. Look at that. It's gold. It's on fire. That's probably worth like $10. So woo! We got that. That's our big one so far. We will put the rest of them here. Last one, Evolving Skies. Because why not? Open up the pack. You know you like hearing that. Alright. Let's put this trash away. Alright. Put this card here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water. Fletchler. Hypno. Full Face Guard, Litleo, Swablu, Flabebe, Roggenrola, Burgmite, Nickit, and a holographic Salamence. So cool. In this, I got this cool Fire Energy. I think I already have one, but cool. That's our first thing. If you're watching this on YouTube or wherever, thank you for watching. And goodbye.